Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. This shoe, Jordan Brand, they have a wings program. They teamed up with a cultural arts center, a nonprofit cultural arts center in Chicago called Little Black Pearl. And they let the kids of that cultural arts center design this shoe. So it took the normal Jordan 5 silhouette and they designed it. And they dropped on sneakers Saturday, and I was able to get a pair. So let's see what we got. Let's get straight to business. Put that knife to the side. Seat to the side. It came in a white box. Came in a different box. I actually expected it to come in the normal Jordan 5 box, but it says Jordan 5 wings, if you can see that. Yeah, so we got the white Jordan box. Let's see these. Never see these. I was trying to figure out what the material is on this one, so let's find out. Okay, inside it comes with a wings card. I think it says everyone can fly. As you can see that. Then on the back, it has Jordan Brand and the Little Black Pearl Business of Art. And it also has a letter. The Wings is Jordan Brand's community impact platform inspired by Michael Jordan's legacy of greatness and commitment to education. It is deeply rooted in communities with strong ties to the brand. Jordan Brand believes everyone can fly, and this platform exists to help youth spread their wings. It has a little more on here, so if you guys want to check that out, you can freeze it and check that out at the bottom. But this is pretty cool. It's also, if you want more information on Little Black Pearl, you can go to lbpacademy.org. So you can check that out. And let's get to the shoes. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's leather. See, I was wondering, was it like a nylon or different type of material? But they leather, and they come with extra laces. Oh yeah, yeah, these tough. Yeah, Jordan 5 wings. Now you know usually they have the netted, the white, or it's kind of like a clear netted with the matte finish. But this has like an aqua or teal finish to it on here. And on the shoe, like I said, it's just drawings. They have like a Jordan logo. Drawings of the town. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get the other shoe out. Let's see what we got. Yeah, these are hard. These are hard. Yeah, these are nice. Of course, got the clear sole at the bottom. 2 sets of laces. I probably put those aqua laces in there, make them look nice. And the leather quality, it's that leather quality on this shoe, man. Yeah, that leather quality is nice. It's almost like that Fresh Prince Jordan 5 quality. It's soft. It feels soft. I'm gonna take the shoe tree out and look at that. Look at how soft that is. These premium Jordans, man, they've been making on these 5s with this quality leather. You gotta mold it back into place, man. The leather is so soft on here. Honestly, if they start releasing more Jordan 5s like this year, next year, I hope all of them have this soft leather. Like, don't go back to the old stiff leather. This leather is like Jordan 1 leather. You know what I'm saying? Where it's kind of tumbled and soft. This is what you want on a Jordan 5. And then, I didn't even see this as the lace lock. It's an actual wing. So if you see the lace locks, it's actually wings on here. This joint is dope. This is a hard shoe. Of course, the 3M tongue, so I know you guys are seeing it in 3M. I'm not, but it's a 3M tongue. These are hard, man. I rock with these. And I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see, like I say, some of the art on the shoe. But I definitely rock with these. This is a nice shoe. Man. This is nice. This is something that I honestly wouldn't immediately throw on because I just like the significance of it and the art of it. Like, I wouldn't even immediately throw this shoe on. I would just put it up and sit it on ice for a little bit. What's this on the tongue? Yeah. But yeah, these are hard. I rock with these. If you like the review, hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So until the next release, y'all be cool.